Today we are going to change wiper blade for Honda Jazz. We bought some aftermarket wiper blades from a local store. The aftermarket wiper blade is different from the original one, but the installation mechanism is same, so we can install it. Attach the wiper blade into the metal hook and just pull up so it will fit. Let's remove the rear wiper blades. Aftermarket wiper blades and the originals are same for the rear, and installation is simple.